The rubber seal of your refrigerator is dirty and stained like this? And you don't know how to clean it anymore? Well, today I'm going to teach you the right way to solve this problem without damaging the rubber. No toothbrushes, which can wear out and ruin the rubber, okay? Also, don't use dish towels or hand brushes. This could compromise the rubber's function, and over time, your refrigerator might not close properly anymore. Let's start by preparing the magic mixture. In a container, pour half a cup of water. Now, we'll add the detergent. I'm using a neutral detergent, but you can use whichever one you have at home. 2 tablespoons are enough. Right after adding the detergent, we need to mix well. You'll be amazed at how the refrigerator's rubber seal will look like new. Now, let's move on to the next ingredient, alcohol vinegar. It must be alcohol vinegar because other types don't work as well for this trick. Add 2 tablespoons and mix everything very well, and you'll have a potent and effective cleaning solution. To finish, we'll add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. If you don't have it, salt can be an alternative, but baking soda is much more efficient. This reaction is what will help remove all the embedded dirt. To make it easier to apply, transfer this mixture into a spray bottle. If you have a funnel, use it to avoid wasting anything. This mixture becomes very powerful, and I'm sure you'll love it. I don't use any other product to clean my refrigerator's rubber seal. And don't forget to tell me which city or country you're watching from. I'd love to know how far my tips are reaching. What other cleaning products do you use for your refrigerator? After trying this, I'm sure you'll start saving money. With the spray bottle ready, let's move to the refrigerator. Now I'll show you how to apply this trick quickly and efficiently. Apply the mixture directly to the refrigerator's rubber, covering the entire surface. Let the solution act for about a minute and a half. During this time, the dirt will begin to loosen. Now, take a clean cloth and, with gentle movements, wipe the rubber. Look, friends, how easily the dirt comes off. No need to scrub hard. The result is impressive. It's very gratifying to see the refrigerator's rubber completely clean without effort. Your refrigerator will look like new, without those unpleasant stains. So, you can do this at home without worry.